Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're joining me today as we begin this journey toward a healthier, more vibrant you. No matter where you are in your wellness path, taking the first step is always the most important. As a neurosurgeon and journalist, I've witnessed firsthand how small, consistent steps can truly transform our health and well-being over time. It's not about making huge changes overnight, but about building habits that last. Today, let's explore the simple tools and gadgets that empower us to take charge of our health, right from the comfort of our own homes. These devices are more accessible than ever before. Think of your health as a garden. It needs regular care, attention, and nurturing, not just quick fixes when something goes wrong. Just like a garden flourishes with daily watering and sunlight, our bodies thrive with steady, mindful care. Preventive health is about making smart choices every day, and technology now makes this easier than ever. From foot massagers that soothe tired feet, to sleep-tracking apps that help you understand your rest patterns, these tools are like having personal health assistants at your fingertips. They offer real-time feedback, comfort, and motivation to keep you on track and help you stay mindful of your body's needs, whether it's reminding you to move, breathe, or simply take a moment for yourself. The real shift is moving from being a passive patient to an active participant in your own wellness. When you track your progress, you become more aware and motivated to make positive changes. Imagine understanding your sleep patterns, noticing trends, and making adjustments that help you wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Or soothing sore muscles whenever you need to, so you can recover faster and keep doing the things you love. Let's dive in together and discover how these simple, everyday instruments can unlock a healthier, happier you, one small step at a time. So, what are health protection instruments? They're any tool, device, or app that helps you monitor or improve your well-being. These aren't just hospital machines, they're user-friendly gadgets for everyday life. Think smartwatches tracking your steps, digital thermometers, or blood pressure monitors at home. E-health tools like meditation or nutrition apps also fit in, guiding you toward healthier choices. These devices collect valuable data, empowering you to make better decisions. For example, a glucose monitor helps manage diabetes, while a heart rate monitor optimizes workouts. These tools turn health goals into actionable steps, making wellness more achievable. Let's take a moment to appreciate a simple yet incredibly enjoyable gadget, the humble foot massager. While it may not look flashy, this device can make a world of difference in your daily routine, offering a spa-like experience right in the comfort of your own home. After a long, exhausting day, your feet are often the first to feel the strain. That's where foot massagers come in. They use a combination of rollers, soothing heat, and gentle vibrations to melt away tension, ease aches, and help you unwind. The main benefit: immediate relaxation and a noticeable boost in circulation. You'll feel the difference as your feet are gently kneaded, helping to reduce fatigue and leave you feeling refreshed. Using a foot massager couldn't be easier. Just sit back in your favorite chair, place your feet inside, and select the settings that suit your mood or needs. Many models offer customizable options, so you can adjust the intensity, heat, and massage style. If you're new to foot massagers, start with a low intensity and keep your sessions short at first. This helps your body adjust and lets you find the perfect comfort level for you. Safety is important. Always inspect the power cord for any damage and make sure to use your foot massager in a dry, clean area, away from water or spills. If you have any circulatory issues, diabetes, or are pregnant, it's best to consult your doctor before using a foot massager, just to be safe. With regular use, you may notice reduced swelling in your feet, lower stress levels, and even improved sleep quality. It's a simple way to support your overall well-being. Just 15 minutes a day can become a powerful self-care ritual, helping you recharge and take a break from the demands of daily life. For a small investment, you get daily comfort, relaxation, and a boost to your long-term health, making the humble foot massager a true unsung hero in your home. Health gadgets work best when paired with simple, healthy daily habits. While technology can help track your progress, it's the small choices you make each day that truly shape your well-being. Think of gadgets as helpful tools, not magic solutions. The most powerful health tool is your own body. Listen to its signals. Take a moment to check in with yourself, notice how you feel, and respond with care. Mindfulness can help you recognize when you need rest, movement, or nourishment. Stand up and stretch every hour to counteract the effects of sitting for long periods. Even a quick stretch or a short walk around your space can boost circulation, ease tension, and refresh your mind. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Carry a water bottle as a visual reminder to drink regularly. Proper hydration supports energy, focus, and overall health, so make it a habit to sip water often. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. Quality rest helps your body recover, boosts your mood, and sharpens your mind, making it easier to tackle daily challenges. Eat more whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Preparing meals at home lets you control ingredients and encourages healthier choices, fueling your body with the nutrients it needs. Small changes like swapping soda for water add up over time. Each healthy swap is a step toward better wellness, and these little decisions can make a big difference in the long run. Move your body in ways you enjoy. Walk, dance, garden, or play with loved ones. Physical activity doesn't have to be a chore. Find movement that brings you joy and fits your lifestyle. Consistency is key. Find activities you love and stick with them. Building routines around enjoyable movement makes it easier to stay active and motivated, even on busy days. These habits, hydration, sleep, nutrition, and movement, are the foundation of a vibrant, energetic life. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your well-being flourish day by day. We've explored how health tools, from smartwatches to foot massagers, put wellness in your hands. These devices help turn health into daily, manageable actions. Preventive health is always better than treatment. Awareness is your first defense. It's not about anxiety, but about being an engaged partner in your own care. Start small. Try a meditation app, a pedometer, or a simple foot massager. The tool matters less than your commitment to yourself. Your health is your greatest treasure. Start protecting it today.